from Nairobi, Kenya. Protest has erupted over the detention of Dr. Kizza Besigye in cell or in prison. Kizza Besigye was arrested from Nairobi. As it is known, many people prefer to call it abduction. And also the protesters are saying Kizza Besigye was abducted and demanding the Kenyan government to stop working alongside Ugandan government, which they call oppressors. And also they have been shouting in Kiswahili language saying, release Kizza Besigye, release Kizza Besigye, coming in from Morugi Media.
So human rights activists are currently protesting in Nairobi CBD, and they want Dr. Kizza Besigye, who was abducted in Nairobi and is currently being detained in Uganda, to be released. They actually presented a petition, and the clarion call is for Dr. Kizza Besigye to be released.
Free Besigye! Free Besigye! Free Besigye! Free Besigye! Free Besigye! Free Besigye! Abduction zikija, sote tuko tayari. Abduction zikija, sote tuko tayari. Ikija mbele yako, kanyaga, kwa nguvu kanyaga, na tena kanyaga, kanyaga, sote tuko tayari. Free Besigye! 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 Uganda power! Power! Uganda power! Power! Besigye power! Power! Besigye power! Power! Free Besigye! Free Besigye! Free Besigye! Free Besigye! Free Besigye! Free Besigye! Uganda united shall never be defeated. Uganda united shall never be defeated. And people united shall never be defeated.
We need our people, somebody Bagisu and NUP members fighting for our freedom, fighting for our justice is not a crime. Stop adopting our people. We need all political prisoners free. We need them out today. Museveni, enough is enough. Ruto, stop being stop conniving with Museveni. Yes. Ruto, stop conniving with Museveni. If they arrest someone in your country and you keep quiet, we need justice for our people. We need free our people. Museveni will die. Museveni will die someday.
We are saying, if President Museveni cannot hear English, we want to tell him in Uganda. President Museveni, tell us to fair. President Museveni, tell us to President Museveni, twagala abantu bonna abasibidde amakomera batwewe ewatali kubateekako obukwakuli. Bw'aba oluzungu taluwulira, tugambugamba mu lulimi Oluganda, olusingibwa kwogera Uganda, solwatuli wano Kenya, twagala ate abantu bafe bonna abawambibwa. Besigye twagala mute afune obujjaji. Abasibe bonna abate. Free Besigye, free!